All right, you guys, welcome to Let's Go Fish in South Florida. It's about 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna go meet Alex at his house. We're gonna head out to Melbourne. So are you guys ready to go chase wild with us? Good morning, guys.
Good morning. Life is horrible, but...
All right, guys, we're on our way to Melbourne. We just made a quick little stop at a service station. Here with Alex. I don't know if you can see him over there. And we're on our way, dude. It's about what, 3 o'clock in the morning, 4 o'clock? 4 o'clock in the morning, you guys.
2 hours to go.
2 hours to go. All right, you guys, we made it to Fort Pierce. It's 4:30 in the morning. We're at another plaza. Just checking on the kayaks right here. Make sure everything's straight. Okay, this one. Yeah, she's still good. All right. We're almost there, you guys. We're almost there. But you guys, we're on unnamed road. Alex, I think we're lost.
Somewhere in Florida.
We have arrived. Thank God. I'm gonna show you this place right quick. That's our launching area. Woo. Pretty cool. All right, you guys, we're at the launch. Everything's loaded. We're ready to go get some sea trout, man. I just hooked up on a little one over here. I didn't film it, but it's looking like a pleasant day. Here we go. And we're off, you guys. Time to have some little fun out here. Dolphins, just look at that dolphin right there. God, that is so cool. Look at these two paddling away, getting all stressed out. I'm just here chilling on the Oliver boat, relaxing. Yo, let me know when we get there. These lazy bums out over here. Look at this mess, man, all up on my boat.
I was gonna pack up a cold one with the boys and relax.
Right here, you guys. Oh, what do we got? Oh my God, that has to be the world's smallest sea trout I ever saw. Oh, look at that. Look at that little thing. Here we go. We got one. Wow. We got one right here, you guys. See what we got. We got a hardhead catfish right there, you guys. Check that out. All right, we're gonna not touch him because those guys, they poke you and it's over. Look at that thing. Oh my God, I came all the way down here for these. What's up with that? That's like the world's smallest sea trout. Wow. Wow. All right, there we go. Damn, missed it. That was crazy. Got it. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Another catfish, you guys. Oh, this is crazy. Things are everywhere. Look at that. Yeah, relax, relax. Well, you're not what I came here for. There you go, get out of here.
They follow you everywhere. Awesome.
Damn. Trying to catch some sheep's head, and so far all we got was one mangrove snapper that I caught back there about 11 inches. But we are seeing them and they are biting, but they're hard to get. Yeah.
Patience, and just because they're biting, it's very hard.
Look at that.
It's very hard to detect their bite. Do you think snapper fishing is hard? Try sheep's head.
We're out here in Melbourne, and we didn't do so well out here. We did see a bunch of redfish, and we caught a snapper. As usual, I caught a snapper. Alex missed a big sheep's head. He also caught a redfish, but it was undersized, so we had to throw him back. And hopefully he filmed it. He's not sure. He did. Edward did pretty good. He caught 3 undersized, or maybe 4 undersized redfish, and a bunch of sea trout like in the 15-inch range, but we don't keep those. And as for me, I just caught like a bunch of small sea trout. I probably caught the world's smallest one, and well, anyway, the smallest I've ever seen. And I missed a whole bunch of them, so you know, hey, it is what it is. And it was a great day. We came out here to see Edward and do some fishing in his area, and it came out pretty good. We had a great time. I'm jumping off the Oliver boat, and we're gonna walk it back in. Ah, shoot, let me get over here. Ah, look at that. I'm on the side of this boat. Look at this. On the side of it, you guys. Woo! All right, you guys, we had a great day out here, Melbourne. I'm here with Edward, Alex Fishing TV, and well, you guys gonna have to wait to see the video. Wait, you already did see the video. What the hell am I talking about? Yo.